Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're going to take a look at a limited edition Glock 43X. Let's see what it says here. It says it says it's a Tiffany rose color. Got nice engraving in there. It is clear. No magazine in it. Now this is a real nice gun. I love the engraving. Got whiteout sights. Yeah, it comes with two 10-round mags. It's got front and back slide serrations. 43X. Supposedly, this is supposed to be a limited edition one with the Tiffany rose and the cutouts all in it. Real nice gun. You can get a real good hand on this. Real slim. Real good concealed carry gun. But yeah, Glock 43X. I'll show you how to break it down here real quick. First, check, make sure there's no round, no clip. Pull the trigger. Push the two pins down, slide on each side. We'll pull the barrel, the slide back a little bit. Pull it down, let go, push forward, slide right off. Take your guide rod out. Take your barrel. Clean that all up, put your rod down there, clean your barrel. Put your barrel back. Slide it back in place. Put your guide rod back. Line it up to the rails. Push it back. Ready to go. Ready to go. Got an orange follower down in there for the guide. For the magazine. Orange follower. Nice. You can see it. Nice and orange. But yeah, there you go. Glock 43X. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.